Mame Mao Akwaba, Efa Umbra Ghanian TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching
demonstration be a course so e me constituency na de bia America say constituency a industries e wom inyama bebre e yeden e wo ye fe ne say constituency ni mo but with all the things ye wo constituency ni mo no the constituency is under developed it is say wako asanko biom tutu
gold
kwan na obefa so ko bia gold ni wo kwan po bukra be den ebefu so 2 gold 2822 ho so no kwan ni etia na eden etisa na kpon katama so ayeden aka koye say ye the 4 years we eka ho ema MP na oteso na kire say kpon katama so no NDC atena so 36 solid good years
enya ho ne MP na ebuza na question
otwe mu no. And you see,
oh no, why
some company say, untin in campo our constituency no. So 4 years we can one. Not just say, NDC attendance sitting so 36 good years, and sometimes I get surprised and I ask myself, say, a day nebema oma santo aba ama NDC for this time. Because me kai say time na ye campaign Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Eba be stakeholders if say engagement any idea. And when he came, one of the major idea eha wokpon kataman so pa wokpon kronimu pa eyensuo. Godon, can you imagine? For all these 36 years, a brupo all this says water is a problem. Miso muni insio an industrial area like my constituency. Omuni insio. And
Katamas of Napoleon ho.
They be so a hoka ho. But you have very say the assembly no e won e kponkro ni mu ankasa. Won say wo villages say den ehim. And say Apollonia ni we mu de ene wo this side. But who call pramprama won
that side hall. Okay.
Water has a friend problem. Even Kwampo across other places, Kwampo no places which is say attack the car anyway no.
Yeah.
They buy water.
Wow.
Yeah. They mutrin so ya den. Ebre omo ya den. Omo to any idea. And this has been their greatest challenge. All these years, Ebro sat 36 years. Na me can once no. Ebro all these years, and they continue voting for this same government. As sometimes I'm a John Wamentias here. When Dr. Mahmoud Baumia visited the constituency, no, in the engagement, no, and I'm paying for the two names say, water has been their problem. And I remember very well, Dr. Kachom say, assembly na kwampo den no, na omo yen hyehyɛ on person ye den, omo ye omo twin so ye den. Eba. It's a honor wa me say a honor ho. Enyo obi na say, enyo obi na afafo na ka kyerɛ me. And yes, I'm a cocaine book man as my cocaine internet. So, me menim in a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia place called Echo Ghana, a friend saying, water to find out the main challenge in Tia in Sunyade, Emma Ewo constituency. It's in a one brief film so only penny for night, Akasan, Thompson bedding, on my beshe, a Hawaii day. And even I remember very well, so he went further to even, if anything, assured them, say, this is one project of a fan very, very, very
serious.
When he has the opportunity to come into say power. But unfortunately, Akwenya no man yede, o man fa amano. And then in Kofona yeden, in so yeden, I can't say
water is life.
The water is life. Bibi elfun wa. Say ben ko mbuni say.
Do that for tigare. Water appreciate what you want. And so be that time, and so mu ye bi nom. Na so be that time.
That is so na motor no. So na motor na ye twebra omo na omo use no. And then they almost saying that enough is enough. And then the oma bre into normal year demonstration. Akwa assembly ho. E dia to abai nanim say e dey asem. Intia all these years. Oma to aba mama mo MPs aba mo MPs ko your current MP Joti. And me breaking Oko parliament ko na ebisa na sem ko njina po ka say oh hello my constituency on campo che say on so ni panani mu po na ka say good morning and he say we twem na oko
away bus
ye ka twa mo say sa PC we am beso mu to abamani on mama ye hwe mam ye kan am say da e no no beto ama gisi an enne no o ma ye demonstration one him say insuo ni hwa emma enkola na ye den a break is here because the women will have to go out to look for water insuo so ni hwa correla yare outbreak this anya manja na edeba wo ye no so free hwa ye kwan inner lanes ni ho school your friend is saying school secondary school road very bad including to me and you see hompo and go school me ankasa baby amemete no Gob City echo ye de kwan ni bi ato afote agbo esin swimming pool wo de man sun to kakra o to me de konwa kosi ho edo mba kwa ekoko dware mu ni ade aye swimming pool o to me po emfa ho na wo ko other places Bechile all those places nothing. This is the constituency sometimes because there is no competition when it comes to pieces now. There's no competition among them, and where there's no competition, there is a familiarity because people will still give him or her they're not. It's a demonstration across so no. Nyawo ka cha aban almost raban. Yes, raban say ye kwan enye. Insuo water is life. Na constituency et say Kpokataman so all these years insuo ni ho de. Ye besre aban. Say in the demonstration o ma kono omeni aiden. Omeni abre ye nyina ye ni aiden because ye nya yete. Ye fe ne say constituency ne munti ye besre aban.
Okay.
Say he should come to ye fe ne say MP nimpo to me kan kire na ye de ye yesre no
or how would what can they say had with it no
ye panicho omra na omeye emwa maka ne say wie no me san so ka check Kpokatama for so say yesre mo 2028 year da ye dimi me say old man nipa baako akwenya all the time na nipa ne enya usi say man nipa na ode ne beba no he or she would like to prove a point. He or she would like to prove you say you have made a wrong decision for so long.
Yes.
It's your best 2028 year Baba Bekomi. Omoma MPP, the new patriotic party, the chance in Kpokatama for the first time. Not omo who say you be developing constituency na yeden. Amomo. Because 36 years. What you want years?
Wow.
36 solid good years. And then now we demonstration musuo e kwan ho. It's your best 2028. Amunfa asem way very serious.
They enjoy the fruit of their labor. Mama mo Dr. Isaiah Duchum voice no. A video your voice. Interview on was in-house interview no mo ye because she background na ya cho YOA ya o say Duchum. It is on one year internal production. But Baba me say Edem
and one of the contenders our NPP primaries name with the former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia and he said you make the point say communication any dia e ha mo pa anunti mudi nkugu 2024 about 20 he makes the point say mo abem mo from so na sa from so no and be and ma mo opposition and on behalf of more ministers on one kasa is apologizing to Ghanaians. Do you associate with that this apology or the man Ghana?
Okay, then come.
One couple, you know, one from Ghana for what?
Maybe a woman assume every year Juma Ghana for 7 failures. Ghana for to run like as a doctor, which won't go home. If you don't want us to get the public way, they will. And from sources, we are doing the idea of which will be now so. Then, so no vice president and no economic management team. So we do a home of so Pagana for each other. If you say, was secure no car, yeah. Essence, ministers in Anna Pacho, Amao, minimum the emotion, men can't into me. Then she yippee. Quite fast way, yeah, more Ibrahim say number 2. Africa. Baby, a free year you could do. Me to make us a dinner for And woman, ye ni Ghana fool. Ye juma ding. Emma, the Ghana fool who be no. Make a chill. We could do airport, men am upon 10. A bit me by one has a Dr. Lucci. Yami Isra. A more by ye, I'm on my Ghana. Yami, Isra. Otu ka se na me kwase ba yi twa foto am fa hotre enam do abaye ogan we ko du nkwa onofin ko yi wo ho no mete disaso there drew time ayi penifo o hotre na osofo anu be gina ho ka se Dr. Bichu Moha in system education there be ntimi in free itself one ma Ghana ye ti ase na Dr. Bichu mo ba ni ho there sunyame ebi Israel or papa unya ya uja ye America na ba Ghana ebe edwumaden ema omai
na wo yiwanim so wo asedun katia wo tia ya omero shafo
chief of staff so na ahye na se
chief of staff so na ahye na se. So that is how the drama no ebeye. And well, I wish asedun katia, I wish him well. I wish
Julius Debra,
I wish them
chief of staff
well. I wish all of them well. With me a very disciplined politician. I'm very honest and straightforward. So I wish all of them well. But now if you look at the calculation, ni obetimi anya Haruna Idrisu obenya hoodene pa.
Haruna Idrisu.
Yeah.
I'm the number running mate.
And I'm say, mienu no between Asedun Katia and Julius Debra. Ni obetimi anya Haruna Idrisu as the running mate no. Ebe boost to wa hoodene.
Media dia no matrofo bi bo hwere magu maso mu kire se omienu di obenya bia be fa no as running mate.
Well, I don't know, but I'm just making I say me a political prophet. So you have that situation. Then you have the initial tribes and also balance it. What you say. So it is not going to be a simple competition. Somebody will say, it's you fiasem. Can you but you know, Obio name in life, they are very principled. So Fabian mechano as it is. So I say, I wish all of them well. But I think Nemesre send your mechano MPP Fumuno, I have been in mechano NDC. Moon to Tomo Moon diate. MPP no okachiroma obombi say 10 cents of Baumia, 10 cents of Canada Japan, 10 cents of Bray Champon, 10 cents of it doesn't make any sense. It does not. Nyansa bieni. Why? Because munipa na mobekon bakumu na beba bedi enu. And of course I know so Dr. Baumia ne belidi. But nyansa obeka say Bray Champon 10 cents. Canada, Japan. It doesn't make sense at all. It doesn't.
Now, we
NDC no so make a chance. And so was here don't get don't come out to say
Julius Debra.
Of Julius Debra. Now Julius Debra. Please, it doesn't make sense. Let's show our maturity. Mumenya say ya dwenu do ya nyini ya ni efi ya mpanyimfo ya didi ya sankwane so a ya sam kama. That is what we should do. It is politics.
Movement for change for at the petition be akoma OSP. Efa Dr. Baumia ho. Na ebinom say ase nkofo bi she akiri.
Look, let's concentrate more. Okay, it is better we discuss the NPP and NDC and stop wasting our time on movement for change. It is better for us to use our precious hours to be discussing NPP and NDC. And we stop wasting our time on movement for change.
Hey, movement too.
It's not a political party. It's not a political party. And you know, the votes are checked because I checked the unknown figure in politics. Check votes which are But which serious political commentator be at the me say, now coming, there's a coming best 20 or 25 minutes. Now me Bible concentrating on movement for change. Go on social media. And your boy Siana, Bedia Con, Benyamana Kovia, Solomon should anytime be able to what transibia. Just monitor him. That be on can be NPP for.
A bit so cry, a bit self by NPP.
I agree. But I'm talking about one hiding behind the movement for change. So I'm the petition that Kwakoma I say Yokwa or special prosecutor. But we make us 300 pickups. Say be obina the man or not the man. Say be crock and be any no correct. Say be na the chicha woman. Say we ask him. Say be crown now to bed 50. And I say 1 or 2 crumple. Concentrate. You cannot even metamorphose from movement for change into a political party. Ebi so na so mudin down person mudin no. O ba ye ni aboso yi. O person wudin ba. Pe bibi ma wudin mra. Please fokwe. My concentrate on what I get na no. And Liverpool bebo. No bibi sam say Liverpool no. O hwete. Me si grofon squad no ya power. Okuta Salah.
Go Salah.
Ukuta Ishak. Nakuta Dapo. A formidable team. Tima ok animu miensa. Wa washe ball wache. Usha ball 1 pencil kura. Now we say presently Timbi kuta Salah. Okuta Ishak. No sansu kuta Gakwa. Masa. Timani hu pa wasase so ha pa no beye ebia Real Madrid. Maybe team Barcelona enkuta nimu hu sa. Yeah. Barcelona enkuta nimu hu sa. Me kan bibia chero. So ya no koreka ni pa te se me obribu anya. So ya no koreka ni pa dia. Liverpool trainer wa nimu no. Ubenya bi wo wiase pa team bia ubenya no Real Madrid. Apart from that no wonya ba bia kan tete anka because has go friend fearsome 5 no we dey be kan fearsome 3. So that is honesty. So when the fortunes of your political party say a movement to knock out down MPP for say in MPP for say but could be or city FM and so TV3 and or MPP mu and send out over MPP mu dabe ya ba mu 1992 bet MPP kwa na me lawyer ni practicing lawyer 1992 yet MPP what is a mekasa No, they in America, I joined the MPP. Please stop that. Mama, you some credit.
One stop for that. We are lawyer ni audi abesisi.
What can you for change for yourself? But my some credit. CJ. Me name some friend of former. Say man peniso inedi. One thing wants you. Also as some buy. Oh yeah, sir. No.
A Supreme Court as a Supreme Court judge.
The law is that a commission of inquiry or a committee of inquiry or senior say onya adwuma no ntra onya maha
or boundaries
so we exceed the boundary no and now boundary no wo ye no one fa there's a breach of natural justice. I can go to court to have it quashed.
Ya to share amount. On trash no.
On trash. So pretty within shenum dia. And there none one. Who pretty within shenum. Na me feel so who pretty within shenum no. Asem bi o kan na nya. Me remedy be appeal. But who pretty trash no. Me remedy judicial review. Make a benny pabebre.
Adumunya na kakra.
Vet. Otim kokot.
Otimi komani.
Oh yeah. Otim kokot. And without prejudice. Make as I say, na sema you say, and now with that be respected institutions in Yeah, let's respect the president. Let's respect the former chief justice. Let's respect the court process. Let's respect the attorney. Yeah, respect TBA. But mremu otimko.
Na ebinom se ewom se mremu otimko de. Nanso ne mampani ane chese na pamfo ye kire ni kura di adanse se. Adent no ntwa so kura.
No. Otwa so a enye yi ebe ya de suande amen dache. Yeah. Be out at some Salaki, I wanted that. What is Salaki in one summer? That was 1970. For me, you were 1969. In 1970, Salakoe. I say Salaki. Riakutu, Bafakutu. They went to court after the passage of PDA in 1958.